The numbering tool is probably one of my favourite tools within the PowerPack, allowing us to number absolutely anything. This is a very powerful tool which we've enhanced this year, particularly when it comes to nested families. The sequencing before would not guarantee that the nested elements would be grouped with the host. We've now improved that so that these elements will actually be numbered accordingly. So in this example, we've selected pile caps and we select the structural foundation elements that we want to number. These are nested pile caps with a separate pile, and we can choose which we want. We click OK. We know exactly how many elements in total we are going to number, but this is where the numbering sequence comes in. So if we now zoom into this first pile cap, the cap itself is going to be 1, and then when we click onto the individual elements, they will be numbered accordingly. Now obviously we could use our filters so that the pile caps are C and the piles are P, so we can do that, but because it will number them by the host, we can group these elements together, which was something that we struggled to do before. Another really useful enhancement, and this was a customer request from several customers, as was the nested families as well, was the ability to highlight the elements on one by one. So it seems like a nice little simple improvement, but we can actually now see which elements we are numbering. Okay, so we can come in, we do one by one, we know how many it's going to renumber, click OK. This will now go in and exclusively number only the elements that we've got selected. So we can go in, we can see how the numbers have changed on the elements that we've got. This obviously will not affect anything else other than the elements that we selected in the pick one by one. A really powerful enhancement to an already very, very powerful tool.